Where to stay in Alexandroupolis? Remembering Greece without a pandemic. August 2019. The Hillhouse near Alexandroupolis, Greece, room tour. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A beautifully decorated ground floor apartment is an ideal solution for a family vacation. It has everything you need and more. The house is really up to date with modern household appliances. The rooms are tastefully furnished, spacious and cosy. There are a lot of pretty little details and pieces in the house that make it feel really special and just like home. Fully equipped with anything that could be needed, it has extremely comfortable king-size beds with latex foam mattresses. There is a TV in the living room and main bedroom with a satellite receiver for 3 European TV channels. The kitchen appliances are of great quality just like everything else in this house. We very much enjoyed our stay in the house on the hill. The Hillhouse property consists of 3 apartments which are 100% separated and isolated from each other. All of them are carefully decorated to suit all tastes and needs. An amazing house located in the middle of quiet fields, just 10 minutes away from the sea by car. The hosts are really friendly, amiable, generous, and helpful. We stayed there in August 2019. The host was planning to change the front yard. It's going to be very beautiful. Paved paths, new lights, and playground. He was planning to put a big barbecue, large picnic tables, a swing, and many other things between the olive trees. So, if you book these apartments now, you will see big changes compared with what I saw during my visit. As you see, there are plenty of convenient parking places. You can enjoy the most beautiful and peaceful landscapes, stunning pink sunsets, and starry night skies. We already miss the time we spent there, and we would be delighted to come back. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Please write your comments. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications every time I upload a new video. Thanks, see you. We cherish memorable moments. Cheers, enjoy life, and take care.